Remember when you called me for that urgent problem? A critical mission in the far south of Chile. Because of a pickup truck that has a broken clutch. The truck was being used to build a pier at Puerto Toro.
The most remote parts of the Americas. No workshops or access to spare parts.
We flew a heavy-duty terrain Tamer clutch kit from our depot at Santiago to Punta Arenas. And then a charter flight to Puerto Williams, the southernmost city in the world.
Then it was up to me to install the new clutch, which I did in Puerto Williams ferry terminal. That was first.
This very pickup then transported 3 hours on a ferry to Puerto Toro, where began 10 months of intense work and harsh conditions.
Severe rust, but zero failures in the new clutch.
Well, Puerto Toro has a brand new pier. We got a very happy customer, but best of all, this old truck is still going strong.